This carbon monoxide alarm comes with the back detached, and at first appearances it doesn't seem like it will slide in because there are two prongs sticking up at the front there, and it stops the back sliding on. But when you install the batteries, the prongs disappear. There. When you first turn it on, it makes the beep sound and then it flashes green, and hopefully now the back should slide on. Oh yes, no problem. There. And it comes with screws and rule plugs for wall fixing, but in actual fact it will sit on a shelf, which is what I'm going to do. They say it has to be 10 feet away from a fuel burning appliance, and 10 feet away from my boiler, gas boiler, is on a shelf in the kitchen, which is also about 10 feet away from my gas range, so it's a perfect position. Now, when I first saw this listed, it said it's a 10-year lifespan. That just applies to the alarm. I thought it must be a 10-year lithium battery, but it just comes with alkaline batteries. So unfortunately, there will be cheaping when the batteries are running low, which is a nuisance when it happens in the middle of the night. But for the time being I'll carry on using it. So it's a bit deceptive. It's just the actual sensor that lasts 10 years. It's not a 10-year battery. I have a smoke alarm that has a 10-year battery, and it's brilliant because you don't have to worry about it running low and cheaping in the middle of the night. Right, I shall do a test to hear the noise. That's not very loud. It sounds loud because it's right next to the camera, but if I'm in the hall, I wouldn't even hear that. They say to position it so it can be heard in all the bedrooms. Well, there's no way that can be. That's just not loud enough. Let's try it again. Try it again. No. I'm going to put the video camera just outside the kitchen door and then press it and see if it can be heard. I don't think it will be. Okay, just a minute. Okay, this is in the dining room, which is the room immediately behind the kitchen. Okay, this is upstairs in the master bedroom.